Model, 1996 Volkswagen Caravelle 2.4 SDCL9 long wheelbase, starts runs drives needs head gasket. Body, green, camper. Mileage, 156472. Engine, 2370 cc E2 RPC EDP. Transmission, 5-speed manual. Mechanical summary, takes a few more cranks to start than average, runs great. Head gasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurizing. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 3 former keepers, wind-up windows. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.